Exploitation and processing of wood waste is currently a concerning issue in the wood industry. In the past, it used to take a lot of time and effort to process the remaining tree roots after harvesting. However, nowadays, with the support of machinery and equipment, the processing can be done quickly and effectively. Have you truly seen the significance of this work? Let's explore it together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. The use of chains and mechanical systems are two common tools used to remove tree stumps. For this method, you will use a tractor or a towing machine to pull the tree stump out of the ground. First, cut off all the branches and leaves of the tree to reduce the weight and difficulty when pulling. Next, use tools to cut off the entire trunk and branches before wanting to lift the tree stump off the ground. Then, use chains to pull the tree stump out of the ground with a sturdy mechanical handle. Repeated pulling actions many times, creating a pulling force on the chain tied to the tree roots, making the root system shake off the ground. This method can be used to remove small to medium-sized tree stumps depending on the strength of the worker. Depending on the size and stubbornness of the tree stump, you can choose the appropriate method to remove it. With the help of modern technology, removing tree stumps has become much easier and faster than before. Using a cart to pull the tree stump out of the ground is one of the common methods to remove tree stumps. This is an effective method for large and stubborn tree stumps. First, use a shovel to dig around the tree stump and create a space around it. Next, tie a cable or chain around the tree stump and use the cart to pull the stump out of the ground. This requires the driver to have certain skills to avoid unnecessary risk to the tree. Removing tree stumps creates conditions for the growth of surrounding trees and creates living space for them. In addition, removing tree stumps from the ground also helps to increase the planting area, improve the soil, and plant new tree species. Removing tree stumps is also one of the measures to prevent insects or diseases from affecting the growth of surrounding trees. Removing tree stumps is a necessary activity in forest and urban management, and it has significant benefits. Damaged or dead tree stumps can pose a danger to pedestrians, so removing them reduces the risk of unnecessary accidents. In addition, tree stumps can also be unsightly and affect the beauty of the surrounding environment, so removing them can improve the appearance of the area. Removing tree stumps not only frees up space for other activities such as planting new trees or construction, but also increases land use and creates opportunities for community development. Accumulating land area allows for future development plans. Especially, diseased or dead tree stumps can affect the growth of surrounding trees. Removing them will help increase the health of the remaining trees, allowing for better growth and reducing the risk of disease transmission. While reducing labor and equipment costs, as there is no need to hire many workers and equipment for manual removal. The use of tree stump removal machines minimizes risks for workers performing the job, as there is no need to work in dangerous positions or use dangerous tools. Removing trees with machines efficiently removes the tree stump and roots, optimizing the soil and preparing for the planting of other types of trees. One of the advantages that helps us improve the cultivated land and tree planting plan is the complete removal of the tree roots from the ground. If the roots have been dead for a long time, removing them will help us eliminate disease sprouts that affect the surrounding soil. Thus, it is clear that processing tree stumps not only requires specialized tools, but also the necessary techniques for stump removal. When done correctly, the job can be completed quickly, and tree stump removal will be thorough and easy. What an interesting job, isn't it? Removing the remaining tree roots will be an important factor in soil improvement, pest control, and creating a living space for surrounding trees. We hope this video brings you interesting things in life that you may not have had time to explore before. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.